Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if someone was looking back? It happened on an ordinary night, one where the stars seemed just a little too bright, and the world felt just a little too quiet. A boy named Orion lay on his roof, staring up at the endless canvas above. He loved space, the stars, the galaxies, the stories of what might be out there. He whispered to himself, "If only the planets could talk, I'd ask them everything." And that's when the universe whispered back. The stars shimmered like a smile. The air around him began to buzz with a strange energy. And one by one, the planets began to glow with a soft, ethereal light. From deep in the sky came a warm, steady voice, as gentle as the wind rustling through the trees. "I am Earth," it said. "I'm the one who holds your oceans, your mountains, and all of your dreams." Then another voice joined in, this one proud and booming. "I'm Jupiter, the protector. I keep you safe from the rocks that fly too close." Orion sat up, his eyes wide with disbelief. "You can really talk?" he gasped. A moment later, a bright twinkly laughter filled the air. "I'm Venus," she said. "I shine so brightly because love needs a light, don't you think?" One by one, the planets shared their secrets with Orion. Mars, with a voice both bold and brave, told him that true courage wasn't about fighting, but about having the strength to try again after you fall. Suddenly, a quick, giggling voice zipped by. "I'm Mercury. I'm fast because I love to learn quickly. Curiosity is my power." Saturn spun his magnificent rings with pride. "Balance is what keeps me steady," he explained in a calm, centered tone. "Even beauty needs structure. That's how I stay graceful." Then, from the distant, deep blue, Neptune's voice echoed softly, as soothing as a lullaby. "I am made of dreams and hidden oceans. Don't be afraid of the deep. That's where magic sleeps." And just when he thought he'd heard it all, Uranus added with a cheerful laugh, "Being different isn't strange. It's what makes the universe interesting." As their voices began to quiet down, a warm golden light filled the entire sky, more brilliant than anything Orion had ever seen. Then came the deepest, kindest voice of all. "I am the sun," it said, "and I shine so they can all be seen. Without me, they would just be shadows. But without them, I would just be light with no one to warm." Orion smiled, finally understanding. "So you all need each other." "Exactly," the sun replied warmly. "The universe works best when everyone shines together." As the night grew late and the first signs of dawn appeared on the horizon, the planet's glow began to fade. Before disappearing completely, Earth spoke one last time, her voice soft and caring. "Remember, Orion, you're part of this too. You are made of the same stars, the same magic, the same light." Orion looked down at his hands, and to his amazement, and they sparkled faintly, like tiny pieces of stardust were dancing between his fingers. "Wow," he whispered. "I guess the universe really is alive." And as he drifted off to sleep, right there on his roof, the stars whispered one more secret, just for him. Shine in your own orbit. Every person, just like every planet, has a purpose. You don't need to be the brightest or the biggest. You just have to shine right where you are. Thank you for watching. If this story lit up your day, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.